Anyway, guys, this is Samari Fezangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like a comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. So, guys, a little Ngumalo finally responded to Musa Kaula. For those who don't know what is going on, yesterday, Musa Kaula decided to do a face reveal. Yaka husband. Wale Ratu Ngumalo lapana ku Twitter. Guys, the post is currently trending on Facebook, on YouTube, on Twitter, all over the place, also on Instagram, guys. Some people are dragging Ratu Ngumalo while others are blaming Musa Kaula, guys. So someone went on to post it. So yesterday, Ratu Ngumalo, she posted her recently videos, guys. So under the comment section, people are still talking about a husband, Yakale Ratu Ngumalo. Somebody went on to post the same post under the comment section. Lapana Ratu Ngumalo, the post Musa Kaula posted on Twitter. He went on to say, Musa posted this on Twitter. Again, somebody went on to say, Haibo Banda, just like that. Kodwa singaba yini phandle kwa Musa Kaula. That's when Ratu Ngumalo decided to respond to the current situation. So Ratu Ngumalo went on, and this is what she has to say. Exactly what you are right now, clueless and obsessed. You will never know who my husband is. According to Ratu Ngumalo, the picture that you saw on Twitter yesterday, that's not her husband. We will never know a husband. Yeah, okay. So that's it, guys. From Ratu Ngumalo responding to the current situation or responding to Musa Kaula. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.